Have you ever wondered what makes Rio de Janeiro so special? High atop Corcovado Mountain, the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue stands as an undeniable symbol of the warmth and spirit of Rio. This awe-inspiring monument, one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, has been looking over the city since 1931, its arms stretched wide in an eternal embrace. The statue, crafted from soapstone and concrete, is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a testament to the city's deep-rooted faith and resilience. As you ascend the mountain, the city's panorama unfolds beneath you, a tapestry of lush green, urban vibrancy, and the sparkling blue of the Atlantic. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, offering a bird's-eye perspective of Rio in all its glory. In the tranquil presence of the Redeemer, one truly feels the pulsating life of the city from a serene distance. From its towering height, Christ the Redeemer embraces the city, setting the tone for our journey through the marvelous city. As we descend from the heights, the allure of the sun-kissed Copacabana Beach invites us. The beach is a vibrant display of life, a canvas painted with golden sands where stories unfold with every wave. Here, the sun shines bright, casting a warm glow on the lively atmosphere that defines this place. Whether it's the early morning joggers leaving footprints in the sand, or the energetic games of beach volleyball that create a rhythm of their own, Copacabana is a beach lover's paradise. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, lively chatter, and the soft strumming of guitars. The beachside cafes and bars hum with energy, serving chilled beverages and local delicacies, adding to the flavors of the beach life. And as the day winds down, the setting sun paints the sky with hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the shimmering waters. Copacabana Beach, a place where life's worries melt away in the golden sands and shimmering waters. From the beach, we ascend to another of Rio's natural wonders, Sugarloaf Mountain. This majestic peak, rising over 1,300 feet above the vibrant city, is accessible by a thrilling cable car ride. As we glide up the mountain, we're treated to a spectacular view of Rio's cityscape, the sparkling Guanabara Bay, and the vast Atlantic Ocean beyond. Upon reaching the summit, we're greeted by a panorama that truly takes the breath away. The bustling city sprawls beneath us, a vibrant tapestry of neighborhoods and landmarks, all framed by the shimmering sea. It's a view that encapsulates the spirit of Rio, a city where nature and urban life exist in perfect harmony. But it's not just about the view. Sugarloaf Mountain is a tranquil haven, offering a moment of calm amidst the energy of the city. Here you can soak in the serene atmosphere, listen to the whispering breeze, and watch the world go by. Sugarloaf Mountain, a tranquil haven that stands proudly over the bustling city. From tranquility, we plunge into the vibrant energy of Rio's Carnival. Welcome to the world's biggest party, a riotous explosion of color, music and dance that transforms the marvelous city into an all-encompassing fiesta. The Carnival is a kaleidoscope of experiences, where the heart of Rio beats in synchrony with the rhythm of Samba. The city streets become a pulsating stage, brimming with extravagant floats, bedazzled dancers, and a sea of spectators swaying to the hypnotic drum beats. It's not just a party, it's a grand spectacle that showcases the city's cultural richness and zest for life. Picture this: a parade of Samba schools, each a vibrant community of dancers, musicians, and artists, competing in a dazzling display of talent and creativity. Their colorful costumes, intricate and imaginative, are a feast for the eyes, shimmering under the city's lights. Feathers, sequins, and beads create a moving canvas of radiant hues, a testament to the hours of labor and love poured into each outfit. But beyond the spectacle, the Carnival is an immersive experience, where spectators become participants. The infectious energy sweeps through the crowds, coaxing even the most reluctant into the rhythm of the samba. It's a unifying force that transcends boundaries, bringing together people from all walks of life in a shared celebration. And then there's the music, the lifeblood of the Carnival. The powerful beats of the bateria, the samba drumming section, echo through the city, a rhythmic heartbeat that drives the festivities. The melodic waves of the samba envelop the city, an irresistible call to dance, to celebrate, to live. The Carnival is a testament to Rio's spirit, a city that knows how to celebrate life in all its vibrant, chaotic, and beautiful glory. It's an event that leaves an indelible mark on the soul, a memory painted in vibrant colors and danced to the rhythm of the samba. The Carnival, a celebration of life, music and culture, truly the heartbeat of Rio. The rhythm of Rio is undeniably samba. Ah, samba, the pulsating heart of Rio de Janeiro, it is more than just a dance. It's an expression of joy, a celebration of life, and a symbol of the city's vibrant spirit. Let's dive deep into the world of samba, beginning with the renowned samba schools of Rio. These institutions aren't just about teaching dance steps, they're about preserving tradition and fostering a sense of community. Each school is a microcosm of society, where people from all walks of life unite in their shared love for this exhilarating art form. From the young to the old, from the professional dancers to the enthusiastic amateurs, everyone is welcome in a samba school. Here, the intricate rhythms and mesmerizing dance moves are learned, perfected, and ultimately displayed in the grand spectacle of Carnival. But samba is not confined to schools or dance halls. It spills over into the lively districts of Lapa and Santa Teresa. As the sun sets, these neighborhoods transform into a hive of samba activity. The streets come alive with the infectious beats of samba music, as locals and tourists alike are drawn into impromptu dance parties. These vibrant displays are a testament to how deeply samba is ingrained in the fabric of Rio's culture. Samba is not just a dance, but a means of communication, a way of expressing the joys and sorrows of life. It's a form of social glue that binds the people of Rio together. Whether it's during the grandeur of Carnival or the everyday street parties, samba unites people, transcending social, economic, and cultural boundaries. The beauty of samba lies not just in the rhythmic patterns and sensual movements, but in the sense of camaraderie it fosters. It's a dance that speaks to the soul of Rio, capturing the city's essence in every beat, every step, and every twirl. Samba, more than a dance, it's the rhythm that pulses through the veins of Rio. It's the soundtrack to the city's bustling life, a vibrant testament to the indomitable spirit of Rio and its people. In Rio, even the streets pulse with life and color. As we journey through the city, we are met with an explosion of creativity and vibrancy in neighborhoods like Santa Teresa and Beco do Batman. Here, the urban canvas comes alive with street art and murals, each one a testament to the spirit and passion of the Cariocas. These are not just splashes of paint on a wall, they are narratives, stories told through the medium of color and form. Some murals are playful, filled with whimsical characters and vibrant hues. Others are deeply poignant, reflecting the city's history, its joys, and its struggles. The artists, often locals themselves, pour their hearts into these displays, giving us a glimpse into their world. They are not just creating art, they are transforming their neighborhoods into open-air galleries, turning everyday scenes into masterpieces. In every corner of Rio, art and life blend in a vibrant palette of colors. So what makes Rio so special, you may ask? Well, our journey today has revealed a vibrant city that pulses with color, culture, and the rhythm of samba at every turn. Rio de Janeiro, the marvelous city, is a place where natural wonders and city life blend in a captivating dance. From the breathtaking panoramic vistas at the iconic Christ the Redeemer atop Corcovado Mountain, to the sun-soaked ambience of Copacabana Beach, Rio's natural beauty is awe-inspiring. But Rio is not just about stunning landscapes and beaches. It's a city where the energy of the people is palpable, especially during the vibrant and extravagant celebration of Carnival. There, the city comes alive in a riot of color, music, and dance, making it one of the world's most iconic festivals. We've also delved into the heart of the city's cultural richness, the samba. From the lively districts of Lapa and Santa Teresa, to the samba schools where this intoxicating dance is taught and perfected, we've felt the rhythm of Rio in its purest form. Our journey has taken us further into the city's social fabric with responsible favela tours, offering a unique perspective on community life. We've wandered through the colorful mosaic steps of Escadaria Celeron and admired the vibrant street art scene in neighborhoods like Santa Teresa and Beco do Batman, enhancing our understanding of the city's artistic spirit. Rio's botanical garden, with its exotic plants, orchids, and historical monuments, has provided a tranquil respite from the city's pulsating energy. And the lush greenery of Tijuca National Park, home to diverse flora, fauna, and stunning waterfalls, has shown us a different side of Rio's beauty. In essence, Rio is a city of contrasts. It's a place where the rhythm of samba is as integral to the city's identity as its stunning landscapes, vibrant street art, and rich cultural heritage. Rio de Janeiro, a city where every street echoes with samba, every corner reveals a new surprise, and every moment is a celebration of life. This is the marvelous city. This is Rio.